Pineapple.
Pineapple fritter. Pineapple fritter. Pineapple fritter. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Indianapolis for NRAAM 2023. This video is brought to you by our good friends over at Craft Holsters. We'll talk a little bit about them more here in a minute, but right now let's go inside the room. Let's look at some cool products and talk to some awesome people. What's going on, everybody? We're here at the EAA booth here at Indy 2023 at NRAAM, and we're here at the EAA booth with our good buddy Chase. And you guys know that I love EAA, but they finally came out with someone. Okay, I mildly tolerate EAA and Girsan, but they finally came out with something that someone with weak, small, fragile hands like myself can actually use. I have problems all the time racking the slide. I can't get rounds in the chamber lot. You know my weaknesses, and you deal with it, and I appreciate that. But you guys came out with a gun that was meant for me, and I really appreciate that. We want to talk about this?
So we did. Basically, this gun is designed for people. It's designed for anybody to shoot, obviously. This is a fantastic gun for anybody, but it's people with hand strength issues, people with arthritis, people that may be a little older, whatever. The whole idea behind this gun is there's no more having to physically manipulate a slide on this gun. It is simply flip a button, barrel pops right up. Drop a round in, close it, double action or single action, drop a round in, it's ready to go. AMB safeties. It is the solution to the problem of people having to rack the slide. So,
yeah, I know there's a lot of people, and this is a great option. It is in 380.
Correct.
So if you're out there and you like the 380, or if you're out there looking to start carrying, you're new to firearms, great caliber, great gun, easy, but especially if you're someone that does have strength issues, whether it's just physicality or arthritis or whatever.
You know? The whole idea behind this gun is we took it, one, besides it being easy to function, we rounded all the real sharp edges off of it. We did the same thing on the grips. We kind of radiused them down a little bit, so you still got texture, you still got something to get a hold of, but it's not going to tear your hands up, especially older people with thinner skin, that type of thing, ladies. We did something kind of neat on this. So it's 380, it's a 13-round magazine. We did an accessory on it that you can kind of see. There's a round in the bottom of the mag.
That's pretty cool.
You literally just strip a round off, close it, throw the mag in.
Got your 13
now it's ready
magazine
to go. Like any other firearm, when you fire it, it's going to cycle, load the next. It's not a single shot. This is a traditional semi-auto. You can just simply tip a barrel, load it, flip it around, unload it. That easy.
The concept has been around for a while, but
it has.
It was never done right, and I'm really glad that Girsan said, look, the idea is phenomenal. Let's make it actually a working gun that people can actually use.
The idea, I mean, the frame size is very similar to some of the older designs 25, 30 years ago. We took it and modernized it. There's no more flipping this all the way around to make it unlock. There's no more having to hold the barrel down and flip it back to make it lock. It's a simple one button.
You're literally where you should be with your index finger if it's not ready to go. It's flip it down and it just pops up. I mean, if I can do it, anyone
You hadn't even
can
done
do
this
it.
yet, so this is how easy.
This is my first time to work with this. So you just kind of put this +1 round in there, drop it in. I got the
NRA tag.
I got the NRA tag, so you gotta love that. And you're ready to go.
Before we continue the video, we do want to send a special shout out once again to Craft Holsters for travel considerations. Craft Holsters have chosen the best holster makers who have decades of experience in leather making and use the finest Italian leather and German threads. Each and every one of Craft Holsters has its own stories. Some of the holsters are for concealed carry, some of them are to protect your loved ones and your property. Law enforcement uses them. They make range holsters. If you're going to put your trust in traditional craftsmanship with a little bit of modern touch, the best materials, and the skilled hands of craftsmen, you got to start with Craft. Go to their website, craftholsters.com. They have an enormous list of manufacturers and gun models. They've got a custom leather holster for basically everything you need.
The cool thing is you see your smaller hands, I'm bigger hands. The controls fit everybody. It doesn't matter who it is. Everybody can manipulate that really easily.
Yeah, it's a great gun. Like I said, it's the design or the concept, I guess, has been around a while.
Correct.
But it's really nice to see that you guys had everyone in mind.
Exactly.
There's a lot of new gun owners out there, and now there's a gun really for anyone now.
It's a gun for anybody. Cool thing about these, this is my personal favorite finish, the two-tone, the tungsten black. We're going to do them. We've got a dark earth here on display. So you're going to have several color variations. You'll have all black. You'll have black with gold accents, solid gold. We're going to do a bunch of special makeup, like one-off guns, things like that.
And as nice as this gun is, the best thing about this, you won't believe what you're going to have to pay for this.
These guns are going to start retail at $4.99. So it's aimed squarely at the carry gun market that anybody can afford and anybody can manipulate.
Bro, thanks as always, Chase, for having us.
Yeah, man.
Great designs. Go check out everything that we've done here at NRAAM. Girsan EAA, great friends of the channel, great friends personally and all that. Phenomenal ideas. The innovation's crazy. They call this MC14T.
MC14T.
For those of you that are out there that understand that. The MC14T, the tip-up barrel. Go check it out. Thanks for coming up, bro. And thanks for having me. And guys, go check out all of our coverage from NRAAM. Until then, Semper Fi.
Just the tip.